Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius. So, for your daily energies, Aquarius, we are picking few cards. For your relationship, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So, that will be a more detailed love reading. You can watch that at the end of this daily reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards. It's Four of Wands in reverse, Nine of Cups, and Queen of Cups. So with these cards in your situation, Aquarius, you are a person who is honest, truthful, and you are devoted to whatever you do, maybe your career or in your personal life. With this person, you are devoted to them and honest, and you are a very responsible, reliable person, guys. And you are also intelligent. So that may be the reason that you are seeing success today, guys, in your situation, Aquarius. You may be really happy, you have that emotional satisfaction, contentment with this person, happiness in this love, and you feel complete. That sense of completeness is there in your life today. Things are going in a very positive way in your personal life situation, guys, and the same way in your career also. I see that you are seeing success and fortune in your situation. Things are going as it should. You have that happiness because of the way things are going according to your expectations. So in your career you have that what to say, your instinct guiding you towards the right things, and you are a person who has a good intuition. So maybe when you're making some important choices, you are listening to your intuition, and that may be guiding you in the right way, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So happiness, contentment, and what to say, that bliss, completeness, that is what I see for you all, guys. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, it is going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can choose that card, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. So let's start with the first card. Let's see what it is. Building blocks. So this card means that in your life today, guys, in this connection, in this relationship, you are building a strong foundation in this connection, and a beautiful relationship is in progress. So the appearance of this card just means that you are attracting a new positive connection in your life, and maybe you are solidifying the ones you already have, and the means of building that foundation, that strong foundation. How do we do that? It is through honesty, humility, and clear communication, and a genuine desire to understand each other. So, you are moving towards that laying of that groundwork for this relationship with firm footing that will ensure it can withstand any storm. Long standing relationships are also repaired and strengthened. You and the other person are stronger and wiser, more powerful together than apart. But if you feel that this is not true and you are not sharing that understanding with them, with that person, and you are not moving, this connection is not moving in a positive way. So, if that is the case, then it means that you have to address the cracks in the foundation of your life. Perhaps your values have changed and it's time to strengthen your convictions and let go of things that no longer serve the vision you have for your life. Or perhaps you can choose to ignore the signs that a situation or agreement you have entered into is not right for you. Remove the rotten pieces and reinforce your core moral strength and integrity. Now is the time for rigorous honesty, for you have called to renovate and upgrade your consciousness. You will be so happy when you do. Spirit has a spectacular blueprint for your life far beyond your imagination. Don't be afraid to replace what's not solid. So, that is the reading with this card, guys. So, let's start with the second card now. So, let us see what is the card, guys. This is the second card. The card says, from nothing to everything. So, this is a Rumi card, guys. It is based on poet Rumi's poems. So, I will start the reading with a few lines from the poetry on what this oracle card is based upon. Oh, my friend, if you are longing to be written on, become a blank page. Rumi. So, this card just means that we have to focus on letting go of identities, of knowledge and certainty, of opinion, and even attempts at control. We may feel as though we are being stripped back to our core, and even then, perhaps further still, we may wonder if we can bear it all. Perhaps we are graced with the realization there is so much more, or perhaps we still don't get the hint and move into struggle as we try to enact what we think our story should be. We may hit obstacle after obstacle and create even more terror in our storytelling. That life is such a pain, a struggle, that success may not be for us, that we are forgotten and unheard. This oracle comes with the guidance for you guys. You are being asked to let go, to receive, to become empty, to be filled. This may mean letting go of attachment to a lover so you can receive genuine love. It may be of no longer holding on to a fantasy of your dream job, but of being guided in your most soulful and successful occasion. It may mean letting go of wishes for your body or health to be other than this, You can simply get on with living each day, taking steps into wellness without thinking beyond one day at a time. It is the divine paradox that when we are asked to surrender a story or fantasy, it is because reality is knocking at our door more often than not with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So it may be very painful and bring you much grief, but all that is dying is your attachment and opinion about how it must be. This needs to happen so you can stop dreaming and start living it. That is the essence, guys. So we may have certain ideas how our relationship should proceed and what should be in this love, but what is the truth or what is happening, the true unfolding of events, experiences, that is not in our hand, and we must be present to see the beauty of how things are unfolding today. So you have to stop dreaming and start living in reality. Do not fear any part of this process, guys, because when you embrace without expectation, you will see that all your fantasies, dreams, whatever it is, it will be fulfilled in a very unexpected way. And you have to have that trust in that divine. So, that is the reading with this card, guys. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. So, I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.